Rocker, you know, to the sound of, I don't know if the police sound have a name, you know, but it's a nice setup. It's a nice little truck with a stage and a policeman a juggle. Well, as it is right now, it's really the early juggling because the big sound string up and the big sound no strike a note yet because right now it's all about the police sound. So, but it's a... Yeah, well, it sounds like it, you know. It sounds like it. Yeah. Babylon Hi-Fi, alright. But you know right now, they're not going like Babylon now. They're not going like Jesus right now. They're not going like Babylon right now. You might can't call it Babylon Hi-Fi. You might have to call it Babylon Hi-Fi. Yeah, so we right here, we're standing with two distinguished gentlemen in the business. Claude Big Stone, yeah, and Wise World, Claude Big Stone sings here and one Wise World. But one first one with Claude. What's a long time now?
Yeah, sure, and it's a wonderful occasion and we have to applaud IRA FM for taking the initiative. As you know, IRA FM is a standalone radio station that has been here for many years, and they support the show. And that's why I'm here.
Alright, Claude, tell us, what can we expect later? We'll see. Right now, the big sound of people start it's string up and everything, but the police are going to try to see me, and we know the next adapter and the crew coming out later. You are the host. You're going to give us something, you're going to teach us something to do.
Most actually, I'll be here reassuring the young ones, letting them know how great athletes that was before, great Mr. Garvey, Samuel Sharp, great freedom fighters, and everything so on. But today's a beautiful day at the Seaview Health Center in Seaview Gardens. So we have a lot of children here. The police are here too, so we expect a very wonderful day. We have a big bad sound of Rebel will be here, Dexter Duff will be here, Nature will be here, Arca will be here, Mr. Pepper, just to name some of the artists that didn't perform last week. But this is a beautiful day, nice skies, no rain, nothing. The atmosphere is fantastic, and we want this initiative to reach out to our children, teach them how to love, teach them how to play with each other, teach them how to respect each other, teach them how to just exist with each other. And this is a small world. You know, we all can have a beautiful time if we just can get along.
Alright, you did mention that the clown is here as well, and when the clown walk in, all the children, most of the children run away from the bounce about and towards the clown, so, you know, it's really a good look. I see an artist, a man who look like Froggy Rap. Is he what I'm virgin? When last seen a golf mask about 1988? What was brother?
Brother, we're there now. Come on now. I said, stop the crime and violence in our community. So we have to there support, right? We have to support the thing. IRA FM, Bad Pigs Entertainment. Here we are going now. You hear me now? Wild Ride, Danny Red, Scotch Bonnet, the whole works. We say stop the crime and violence. Yeah man, I say because they are such a Catholic family. Catholic family stay so. Brother, there you know. The wise words.
Yes, wise words, what's the wise word to all of the listeners to IRA FM one night without not actually pass through this event this evening?
Well, you know, so we want to go back to the Nicholas. And when we say go back, you know, sometimes, you know, so we play and take off it off the land. You know what I mean? So we have to make we go back to the days of old time. From a granny used to dance, we combine. From vegetables were green, life was sweeter than the ripened pine. From I did barefoot to butter crepe. From the khaki sure did have on the epaulette. From pick me have respect and big people have common decency and etiquette. Make we go back to the days of simple caring, when community used to involve in simple sharing. When it was you for me for you, me give you two out of me tree and keep one. Yes, whistle, that's how we did that. Yeah man, so that's how we there you know. And we there now, so we there on the grounds of Seaview. It's a clean view. Yeah man, so the people have to come out, come get your preview. You know what I mean? They stop the crime and violence tour. Queen Kamala initiate the whole plan. We give thanks to IRA FM to come on board, come support the whole movement. We give thanks to all those who take part in the whole thing. Rebel T for forward in little more. A matter of fact, them on the grounds already.
It's on there already.
Yes. Yeah man. So as we'll say, it's a police high fire go and strike the thing, you know what I mean? Yeah man, you know. But we still them not dub, you know. We want some dub on here, you know. So we don't mind if you could have forward on here, you know, and come dub in some consciousness on the head of the people, you know.
Alright, sir. So yeah, so we it's not a go on for the scene right now, you know, and we want to link with two more persons before we link. Great things are.
Blessing.
Yeah man. Alright, and you are boss?
I shall call. I'm one of the core members that started. And the reason why I'm on this tour, you know, show the youth them say, yo, listen, we are all from the inner city, but listen, we can stop the crime and violence. Listen, we are all one blood, one color, one nation, one love. And I gotta say peace, love, unity throughout Jamaica. IRA FM, give thanks and praises to the glory of the movement. I see the meditation, I know say alright, you know say true. The crime and violence is stop because youth them are traumatized through crime and violence.
I already said something.
So is it that's the situation here, and you know what they said, the stars come out at night, and you know it kind of start get dark and the stars them really roll out. So I just can't imagine when there's no light, then that time you will really see the stars because them are roll out, Whistle, them are roll out, and right now the thing is a good look. I want to just remind Jamaica, remind members of the inner city who might be skeptical right now based on what happened last week, because we all remember what happened last week, but we just want people to know that, guess what? You say stop the crime and violence, a long time people are saying, and the whole happen overnight, but guess what? You say if you stop trying, trust me, it won't happen at all. So you just have to come out and determine that, guess what? It no matter who try to break down the thing, you have to go and build the thing, because the crime and violence have to stop. What we say?
Yeah.
Crime and violence.
Stop the crime and violence.
Alright, so we say,
Crime and violence.
that's it from me on behalf of the entire crew. We have Simone, we have Jackie on location, we have Carl, we have Delia, we have Trishana, we have Trissa. We have Tawanda. You know, we just want to say big up to the entire sales department and location. So on behalf of the entire crew, PM producer role today, Nicholas Evans, for the final time, say back to you.